Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ahrefs batch analysis results for keyword research detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to ahrefs.com. Log in to your Ahrefs account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Keyword Explorer tool in the navigation menu. Click on Keyword Explorer to open the tool. In the search bar, enter the keywords you'd like to analyze. Click the search button to initiate the analysis. After the results load, look for the Batch Analysis option. Click on Batch Analysis to open the Batch Analysis feature. You will see a text field where you can paste multiple keywords. Enter your keywords, separating each one with a new line or a comma. Once you've entered all your keywords, click on the Analyze button. Wait a moment as Ahrefs processes your batch analysis request. When the analysis is complete, you will see the results displayed on the screen. Review the key metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and clicks. To download your results, look for the export option, usually represented by a download icon. Click the download icon to begin the export process. Choose your preferred file format, like CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection and the download should start automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Open the file to review your batch analysis results for further keyword research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.